All right, so every so often something comes along and you're just like, how did I not know about these? And today, that thing was Gizmos. And I don't know how I've missed these things. So, anyway, I'm working on my little sort of platformer game, right? You know, my little Sonic-like with all kinds of fun physics-based stuff. And I was looking up some things, and suddenly I saw someone say something about gizmos and drawing gizmos. Now, we're all familiar, we should all be familiar with gizmos. They're ways to sort of visualize things show up in the game. Some show up in the game screens, some show up just in the scene. But in terms of drawing your own gizmos, I've done debug draw line, I've done debug print, but somehow Gizmos has totally escaped me. Now, the idea, the way you do it is actually really, really simple. Now, one thing you need to know about, you have this on draw gizmos. That's where that has to be done. On draw gizmos. So, how difficult is it to draw a gizmo? Well, once you say gizmos, then you'll get a whole bunch of potential gizmos. Draw a wireframe, draw icon, draw a line, frustum, GUI texture, cube, mesh, sphere, all these amazing gizmos. So let's just draw wireframe sphere, and let's draw it at the transform of this particular object. And what more can I say? 0.75 float, radius. And the cool thing is right away I save it and I go back over here and there it is. Even in the game. My scene, my game, boom. And I press play and there's my gizmo. So yeah, somehow that's, I don't know how I've managed to not have encountered that before. That's the joy of game programming. You learn something new every day, potentially. So yeah, that's today's big item. Yeah, stay tuned for more.